Lion Foot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell or click the bell. Oh, you're so damn bright. Want this lion last night? The warrior that bigger than Mike Tyson. Can't hold down lion in no gravity. Look how pure and it clean like clarity. Lion keep moving. None of them no likes when the youth improving. Get up every day and see the youth losing. Tell them a Father God, lion. Wow, wow! Me man, maddy, mad. Maddy, mad. Action style. Always be bossy. Never you show off your little dirty colors. You love the one that say go on. Big up Josie here. Film thing them here bar right now.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, health of our wealth. And your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing, help someone if you can. You see me and some viewers and subscribers, I don't know if long on the go, where they have long on the go, so give thanks to life. Another day, and I mean the 9th of May. Yes, man, so. All the reason right now we're doing, you know, share some of my personal experience, and you know, people all over the world will say right now I relate that thing of overseas and the mentality and the, you know, the mindset of some people. Foreign and nice again like one time, you know. Things not easy again like one time. You see me? So people feel like say things are the same. No, things and time change. You know, times are getting dreader and dreader, rougher and rougher as you can see. You see me? If you don't make it a foreign again, it's hard for you to make it right now. You see me? And that's included myself. You see me? It's a youth always a try. You see me I say? So big up everybody where they are foreign, I try. You see me? And I try to make ends meet and betterment and can have something back home. You see me? Yeah man, so I don't know, you're forward back. I mean, so I'm giving you a freestyle. A song I write a long time. You're foreign hard, you see me? And long time, over 10 years. You see me I say? So, we're forward back after the break. Don't go now. Man a crime agent, me ready fi fight crime, me now no patience. When me say fight crime, me not talk action verbally. You know me song, me a put out a statement. Man a crime agent, me ready fi fight crime, me now no patience. When me say fight crime, me not talk action lyrically. You know me song, me a put out a statement.
Yes man, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, don't forget to like and share the content, you know. Remember, over here so we keep the thing real. On the battlefield. You see me I say? So subscribe, give the channel a like, man. It not taking nothing to click the bell, you know what I mean? And make sure you subscribe. You see me say, you always get that alert when I post a content. You know, you get everything over here, so raw and authentic. I will speak truth and rights. We try to make good from bad, you know what I mean, situation. You see me I say, yes man, so that's how we deal with it, you know, live settings. You see me? Yes. Some of viewers and subscribers will say, a lot of people now, race a man send empty barrel go Jamaica with you. You see me? Empty barrel. You see me? And I said, Jano, really, my brother tell me, you know? And I said, yeah. The man said, I'm fed up right now because people are out there ungrateful. You see? And I said, Jano, style, that's really bad still. I don't think we would do that. You see me? You know? Right now, I have a barrel in my house. You know, long, for last year, if you send it off and I we can't finish it. You see me? But I don't know, I say a thing, but not before the time, you see me? But the man was an empty barrel in cool. You see me? That be saying, forget about him family, them, you know. You see me? And me can't do that. I not have the heart to forget about my family, them. Can't help everybody, but I'm a family person, and sometimes if me have the mindset of some people, maybe would have better off. You see me? But we can't, there friend I know, say, a family member, where's my mother, want it, and I say, I don't have it. No sir, the content said that kill me, you see me? But then again, as I say, if we didn't have that mind there, maybe we would have better off because enough money we waste, you know. Enough money we waste. You know, on my behalf and giving away. Right now I try to tighten them hands in, you see me? Yes man, because some people are ungrateful in their life. If some people are ungrateful, they help them and them see one come bite and go and say anybody nothing, man. You know what I mean? You have some people ungrateful. Me experience it, man. Yeah, I have some family ungrateful, I have some friends ungrateful. You see me? And sometimes you're too kind, you give away your blessings. You see me?
Yeah, man, I say your things, man. So, why may I tell you, sir? Some people say right now things and time change, you know? And you have your thing in Senegal, foreign, you have some family member, you work hard there, you know? Do all type of work, I look out for all people, I clean shit, I clean everything, I do all type of work, site work, you know much work I do over here, so before me take time start up myself, site work, you know, I do office cleaning, I do one heap of work, I do my youth always I try, you see me? In a cool, you see it? I have some people that work hard, the worst of things than me, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, and when they send them money back home, them family mess it up, you know? There's so many stories I see happen all over the world. You know, I'm in England, America. Where they see a lady, I say, her family, she have built her house, you know, take time build her little house. And when she go down her family, they grab her up and she have to run, come back up. You see me? Yeah, but for real, it's not like one time again. You know, enough friends me see, enough man me know get deported, come here and waste them opportunity, waste them time. Because of the road and fast lane and me you see not the fast lane too, enough things, yeah, I escape enough things, you know. Sometimes I escape out of some situation, I don't know how I escape out of it, but I know my ancestors, my sister there with me and my granny, you know. Rest in peace, my granny Zelda, my Caesar, I don't know. You see my sister Archie, I know them there with me because some things when I escape out of with Babylon and the police them. Them time I'm there on the road, when they know me, country, you see me? Yes man, enough things me escape man. I don't have to go deep into details and know me attack. You see me? Yeah man. You see big G pull up on me and the man them run off and me have load up the things in my bars and my brief. And the man they run past me and me walk right and people that says, yo, to them no, I don't know how me escape. Me get stuck for much time. And I'm a cousin. Look with things and yo, me I tell you up on the motorway and when the boy them stop me, I'm a pull over. Every time them leave my license, I just start drive. You see me? And when the boy them pull you up on the highway, them my sister, my cousin are Fred. You see me? Female, big up myself, my cousin Bono, you see me? And when the boy them pull you up, I say, look, I hit this. Me just see the man them spin run, flashlight, with them light turn on them vehicle and on them jeep and them spin run and gone. Father God, great, still got Birmingham, but do road and dust it up, you see me? So enough things man experience at foreign. And foreign are nice again like one time. Right now, music can change my life, you see me? But until then, we just want to keep it real on the battlefield. We look at 9 to 5 and save what we can save and sell it, you know? Make sure mama alright and we youth them, you see me? But when a man come and foreign right now, you have to make use of the opportunity. See? And when people are foreign send something come here a yard, you have to appreciate it. If I even a $10 US or a $10 or £20 or so, you see me? I'm just making a reference, you know. But yeah, when somebody sends something come give you, man, give you shoes or a pants, man, you appreciate it, man. Don't talk about what this. They must say it come give you and this and that. You see me? You never give nobody nothing to put up a foreign. You see me? Yes, man. So you have some people that's ungrateful. That. But that's how I do the video to share to my fans on the platform because you know say foreign are easy, you know. England are easy like one time again. England hard. So I say things and time. You know, people over here say suffer right now and I struggle. Me not talk Jamaicans, just on a whole. People from different diaspora, different origin. You know, in the country are suffer, hungry, homeless. Yes man, so me and my look 95, I'm grateful. You see me? Yes man, so you don't know my viewers and subscribers, I hate that. You see me, I say just be grateful when somebody sends something come go now Jamaica, whether from England, America, France, Spain, anywhere them there in the world, because I know Jamaicans are all over the world right now. So now have to be grateful. Selfish that they can go again like one time. You see me? And the man them, enough man make money and waste it. You know? Like myself, yeah. As I say, enough money me waste. You know? Enough money me waste and you know things reach me and things no too long go deep in it, you know, money messed up and you see me? Yes man, so I do a tune right now for the foreign. There's an answer. Yes man, a long time I do that tune I still I'm write it, but I never record it. You see me? That's it. Foreign hard. I'm talking from experience. Foreign hard. Sometimes it's easy, but most time it things. Foreign hard. It hurt up enough people events. Foreign hard. Stress out enough people, make them lose them sense. Some people swear say foreign easy, but it rough. Enough people go a foreign got on tough. Enough people they a foreign a slip. And I joke me a make me see what's me now bluff. Now to no lie, you know the money they enough. If it break the money, you have it off and off. And through that enough people lose them life, get the port, sell them soul, end up in a handcuff. Foreign hard. I'm talking from experience. Foreign hard. Sometimes it easy, sometimes it tense. Foreign hard. It hurt up enough people events. Foreign hard. Stress out enough people, make them lose them sense. Over 10 years I'm on the London city. Never know say yes, so the country's just sticky. England nice and it not pretty. And if we didn't know mood, we go there, it's a pity. And England no go experience some serious liberty. Me see people and live worse than the dog and the kitty. But I get put out in the cold by them catty. Family and these families are not take liberty. Foreign hard. I'm talking from experience. Foreign hard. Sometimes it easy, but most time it tense. Foreign hard. It hurt up enough people events. So me say, foreign hard. Stress out enough people, make them lose them sense. Some people like foreign, some don't like it. Some run from the pressure, some stay and fight it. Some end up on depression tablet. Some try the hard drugs and find it hard to quit. Foreign is a place, if you wreck you and sink you like ship. Have you a work and again the benefits. So when the man go foreign and make it, them things nobody enough he goes them for it. Because foreign hard. Yes man, you see me? Yeah man, I really sitting man. Let me know what you think, if I should advise or something. A long time I write it about. Yeah, but enough people come here and go back home. You see, no people will come forward to England and go back home because they can't take the pressure. Give up, say, well, them can't use them liberty and struggle to make ends meet. You see me? Worse them papers and sort out. Then go back home. People with them papers sort out, get fed up and go back home. You see me? Family member, come here, them show you a good face, then them put you out. So, when them say, see me and come live with me on 1 and 2 different cities. You see me? Yes, man, I really think, man. So, foreign and nice. That's what I said, well, it's nice, you know. You have to just come here and move smart and wise. And as I say, it's not like before, you see me? It's getting harder and harder, and they make things rougher and rougher. Especially for, you know, people from different ethnicity, you see me? Yes, man. Origin, you know. So, that was just a quick reasoning, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you all think. Who can relate and can share them experience. Comment in the comment section, you see me? And I don't know, yes man, I'm out. Not another word out of me, out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.